Hi guys, and welcome to the Aging Games. Today I wanted to talk to you about the 100 squat challenge and give you some different types of variations so you don't get bored of doing the same kind of squat every single day. I did this challenge for about 2 months. I was doing the 100 squats every day without missing a day, but I got really bored of just doing the standard squats. I tried to add different kind of squats and I wanted to share those with you so we can do the 100 squats together using my different type of variations. The first squat variation I want to show you will be doing thrusters. I'll be using this kettlebell. You can use it with any kind of weight. You can use a dumbbell or you can use nothing at all, just your body weight. So here we go, we'll do 10 of this. And the next one we'll be doing, yes, I'm in flip-flops, I know, I always work out in flip-flops. It's a bit silly, but I just find it much more comfortable than shoes. So what we're gonna do is turn our toes out, and with this we'll be working on inner thighs. So here we go, 10 squats like this. Really squeeze the inner thighs as you're coming up. 5, 6, 7, keep the abs really tight so they're working as well. 9 and 10. Squat, we're going to raise our legs to the side to work the outer thighs a bit more. And we're going to do 10 on each side, so we're going to do 20 reps of these. Let's get started. Lift as high as you can comfortably. Lift as high as you comfortably can. Nine. 10. We have 10 more. 2, 3. Go as deep as you can. 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's 40 squats down already. We have 60 more to go. For this next exercise, we're going to squat and do a front kick. We'll do 10 on each side again for each leg, so this will be 20. Here we go. Kick. 2, 10 more to go. Remember to go low, kick hard. 8, 9, and 1 more. That's 60 squats and 40 more to go. So take a break, guys. Make sure you get some water, and I'll meet you back here in a minute. Exercise will be curtsy squats. I absolutely love these. This really works this part of the butt, and it's just a fantastic workout. So we're gonna do 10 on each side. Here we go. Hard to keep your balance. Go as deep as you possibly can. 8, 9, 10, 10 more. 15, 5 more to go. And that's 20. So we're at 80 squats right now. We're about 5 minutes into the exercise and we have 20 more squats to go. For the next 10 squats, we're gonna do just a normal squat, but we're gonna add weights. So I'm holding my kettlebell. You can use any weight that you like or skip the weight if you like. Here we go. Five. 9 and 10. So we only have one more set of 10 squats to go. So for the last set, we're going to do squat jumps. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. There we go, guys. 100 squats done of different weights, different different intensity. Make sure you do some stretching and a cool down. You can do this every day if you're doing a squat challenge. You can add your own variations, anything that you like. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is me ready for the pool. Freezing. Woo.